Namaskar. The whole world, including India, has affected by an outbreak of coronavirus. It is an emergent situation where the human life and health is in danger. Lockdown is a kind of measure from which it is expected to control the spreading of this virus. India is also following the rule of lockdown, and in different parts of it, Section 144 has taken effect. Section 144 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 is an important section which deals with power to give directions in urgent cases of nuisance or apprehended danger. Under this section, a district magistrate or a subdivisional magistrate or any other executive magistrate, especially empowered by the state government in this behalf, are entitled to give direction. Under under this section, if in cases where, in the opinion of such magistrate, there is sufficient ground for proceeding under this section and immediate prevention or speedy remedy is desirable, such magistrate may, by a written order, stating the matter facts of the case and served in the manner provided by section 134, direct any person to abstain from certain act or to take certain order in respect to any property in his possession or under his management, and for such order such magistrate considers that such direction is likely to prevent or tends to prevent any obstruction, annoyance, or injury to any person lawfully employed, or danger to human life, health, or safety, or any disturbance to public tranquility, a riot, or an affray. An order under this section may, in cases of emergency or in cases where the circumstances do not admit of serving in due time a notice upon the person against whom the order is directed, be passed ex parte. An order under this section may be directed to a particular individual or to persons residing in particular place or area, or to the public generally when frequenting or visiting a particular place or area. No order under this section shall remain in force for a period more than 2 months. However, it is provided that the state government may, when it considers necessary so to do for preventing a danger to human life, health, or safety, or for preventing a riot or an affray, by a notification direct that an order made under this section by any magistrate shall remain in force for such further period not exceeding 6 months from the date when the order made by such magistrate would have, but for such order, expired as it may specify in the notification. A magistrate may, any magistrate making the order under this section may, either its own motion or by either on its own motion or on the application made by any person agree, rescind or alter the order made by it, either by himself or by his subordinate, or by his predecessor in office. The state government may, by its own motion or on application made by any person aggrieved, rescind or alter any order made by it in relation to extension of period. In cases where the application received under this section for alteration or rescission, the state government or the magistrate, as the case may be, afford the applicant an early opportunity of appearing before him or it either in person or by his pleader and show cause against the order, and if such magistrate or the state government rejects such application either partly or either partly or in whole, such magistrate or the state government may specify the reasons for so doing. So that's all for this video, and if this video you found little bit informative, please like it and share it please, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.